All right, so today, what I will do is to solve problem, no? Particularly, siguro now, no, I will discuss about uh, capital budgeting. No? We will discuss about to solve, no, about net investment. No? So hopefully, you can be able to understand, no, ano bang ibig sabihin ng net investment, no? At the same time, to know more about computations of it. Okay, so let's start, no? Okay. So very important now that in terms of your capital budgeting, no, particularly for your net investment, no, is about this topic, no, about this formula, no. So una-una, no, very important dito, no, is to know first, no, computations of any gain or computations of any gain or loss, no, pag tayo ay nagbebenta. Okay. So in this problem, no, in problem number one, if you notice, problem number one, no? So capital gain, loss, and recapture of depreciation. So for each of the following cases, compute the total taxes resulting from the sale of assets, assuming that you have 34% ordinary tax rate, and the asset was purchased for 75,000 3 years ago and has a book value of 40,000. So paano yan, no? So una-una, we go first with letter A, no? So we go first with letter A. So una-una, in terms of your letter A, uh, we compute first, no? So, magkano ba yung munang tax, no? So, ano ba yung computations natin? Okay. So, una-una, kunin mo muna yung market value, no? So, ano ba yung market value? So, we go first with our market value. So, ano yung market value natin? The asset is sold daw at 80,000. So, ibig sabihin, the market value is worth 80,000. Okay. Yan. What else? We have also here yung ating book value, no? Please take note, market value minus our book value. Okay. Magkano yung book value of the old equipment? Okay? The book value of the old equipment is you have here 40,000. Again, for each of the following cases, no, compute for your total taxes resulting from the sale of the assets, assuming that you have 34% ordinary tax rate. Okay. And the asset was purchased for 75,000 3 years ago and has a book value of 40K. So, ibig sabihin, no, in letter A, if you have market value of 80, alright, and the book value of 40, magkano ba yung ating gain? Do we have gain here? Yes. So, yung gain po natin is 80 minus 40 is you have here 40,000. Eh, di ba ang sabi dito, in letter A, we compute daw for tax. Magkano yung tax rate natin? Your tax rate here is at 34%. So just multiply it by 34%. Eh bakit po ganun? Oh, kasi nga, we compute first for the tax rate kasi we will compute for our net investment. So una-una, magkano ba yung ating tax, no? If you have 40,000, to be multiplied by 34%, magkano ba ang ating tax? So you have here, tax of 13,600. Okay, yan. Mamaya kasi yan ay relevant, no? Sa pag-compute naman natin of our net investment. Letter boy, magkano naman yung market value for letter boy, no? In the market value of this is you have 70,000. The asset is sold for 70. So you have here 70,000. Magkano naman yung book value natin, no? The book value of this is worth 40K, no? If you have 70,000 minus 40K, magkano ba yung ating gain? Our gain here is worth 30,000. And just multiply it by your tax rate. Okay. So be multiplied here by 34%. Magkano ba yung ating tax for this? So if you have 30,000, just multiply it by 34%, you have 10,200. Okay. Letter C naman, no? In letter C, sabi, the asset is sold for 40,000. Ibig sabihin, you have your market value of your old equipment, no, of 40,000. Then you have your book value, no? Na 40,000 din. Eh, dito pa lang, class, you have no gain and no loss. Ibig sabihin, wala pa tayong babayaran. Okay. And letter dog, no? You have here your market value of the old equipment of 38,000. Okay? Then you have your book value naman. Sorry, mali ako. The market value is 40, sorry, no? The book value is 40. Okay? So the book value here is 40,000, sorry. All right? So kaya tayo. Okay, ito na lang. So you have here 40,000. Then the book value here, tama pala ako, sorry class. Okay? Mali, tama pala. 38,000 to. Okay? And then your book value is at 40,000. Oh, ito. Ito naman, there would be a loss. Okay? Bakit loss? 38,000 and 40. You have here 2,000. And because of this, you have your tax benefit. Now, again, puntahan nyo yung aking mga video about computations, no? Ito class ay may benefit. And just multiply it by 34%, no? Anong tawag doon? Yeah, tax benefit pala yun, sorry. It is known as tax muna, no? And this one, it is also known as your tax benefit. 2,000, just multiply it by 0.34, you have here 680. Kaya ito class ay negative. Why negative? Kasi tax benefit siya. Okay. Yan po ay in relation to letter boy. Kasi in letter, we are finished with A ha. A, B, C, and D. No? Tax is 13,600. Tax is 10,200. You have 0 and you have 680. But how about in letter boy? No? In letter boy, we will now compute for our net investment. Ano nga yung formula ng net investment? No? Balikan nyo yung video ko ha. Okay. We go first with letter A, with letter B, with letter C, with letter D. Ibig sabihin, yung letter A dyan ay connected. Okay. So, calculation for your net investment. A firm is considering replacing an old machine with another one. And the machine cost is worth, di ba? Go back to our computations. Ano yung unang mong ilalagay dyan? Initial cost. So, in terms of initial cost, magkano yan? 90,000. Eh, di ba class, i-add din natin yung ating installation cost, no? Kasama yan yung installation cost. Magkano installation cost? You have 10,000. Ano pa? Wala na. Kung may proceeds, no? Yan ay in relation to letter A, So, ibig sabihin, the market value is the net proceeds. The asset is sold for 80. Ibig sabihin, by the way, 90,000 is an outflow, ha? Installation cost is also an outflow. You have also here proceeds from the sale of the old equipment. Magkano yun? 80,000. The asset is sold for 80,000. That's why it is to be deducted. Why deducted? Kasi outflow na yan. And the next one is your tax. No? You have your tax. All right. Gain the tax no, from the gain, or you have also here tax benefit. Yung tax benefit class, it is to be deducted. Okay? Tax from gain. Tax benefit naman, it is your from loss. So with this, magkano yung ating tax? Okay? 13,600. 13,600. And because of this, we can now compute for our net investment. Okay. So you have here 90,000 plus 10,000 minus 80,000 plus 13,600. Magkano yan? Yung net investment for letter A ay 33,600. Okay? How about letter boy? Again, magkano yung initial cost mo sa boy? Same pa rin yung class. Just have 90,000. Then you have 10,000. Okay. Magkano naman yung proceeds for this? Since the proceeds for this one is at 70,000. So you have here minus 70,000. But how about naman tax on gain? You have 10,200, di ba? Nandiyan, tax. So ito naman ay you have 10,200. Sorry, hindi negative. Positive dapat siya. Okay? Yan. So magkano na class ang ating letter boy? If you have 90,000 plus 10,000 minus 70,000 plus 10,200. So magkano po ang ating net investment for letter boy? The answer for this ay 40,200. Hopefully, naintindihan ako ha. How about naman letter C? Same pa rin. 80,000 and you have 10,000. Magkano naman yung proceeds natin for letter C? Di ba, binenta po yan at worth 40,000. Wala po tayong gain, wala po tayong loss. Magkano sa letter C as net investment? 60,000. Okay. Dog naman tayo. Same pa rin class. You have 90,000. You have your 10,000. And with this, magkano naman yung proceeds at dito? Diba 38,000? O how about naman tax benefit? Ito naman ay may tax benefit na 680,000. So if you have 90 plus 10 minus 38 minus 680. So magkano yan? 90,000 plus 10,000. So you have 100,000 minus 38,000 minus 680. This one naman ay 61,320. So, yan po ang pag-compute ng ating net investment. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ano yung formula natin? Initial cost, you will add your installation cost, if any. You will minus if there will be proceeds from the sale of the old equipment. Then you will add tax from gain. Or you will minus naman tax benefit. Okay. To round it up for this one, A and boy, we go with letter C, si Albert Rivera. Okay, so we are now into letter C. Si Albert Rivera, sabi, is considering to replace an old equipment with a new one. And the old equipment had a net book value of 100 for remaining useful life with 25,000 depreciation each year. And the old equipment can be sold at 80,000. And the new equipment costs 160,000 and have a 4-year useful life. Cash savings on the net operating expenses before 40% taxes amounting to 50,000. What is the amount of investment? So again, ano nga yung formula natin? Initial cost muna. Do we have initial cost here? Di ba meron? Cost mo here ay magkano? 160,000. Ibig sabihin, you have here 160 as your new equipment cost. Do we have proceeds? Wala, di ba? Wala. Pero meron tayong cash savings. Irrelevant yan. Okay? Next one, you have your proceeds from the sale of the old equipment. Okay? Magkano? Proceeds, magkano bentahan natin? Yan. 80,000. The equipment can be sold at 80,000. So, ibig sabihin, ito po ay an outflow, ay inflow. Again, you will compare naman the market value and your book value. The market value is 80,000 and the book value ay magkano? Book value is worth 100,000. Ibig sabihin, meron pa tayong loss of 20K. Di ba, pag may loss ng 20K, just multiplied by the tax, no? Magkano yung 20K ito, ha? Okay, sige. Erase natin. Ito ay at 20,000. Just multiply it by 40%. So, ilan to, class? So, if you have 20,000 times 0.40%, you have here 8,000. Kaya lang, ito, class, ay to be deducted. And with this, we can now compute for our net investment. So, magkano ating net investment? 80. Of course, the answer here is 72,000. So, ganun kadali lang, no? Ang pag-compute ng net investment sa ating capital budgeting, no? So, hopefully, naintindihan natin, no? Yung ating pag-discuss or sa ating pag-answer of the problem of this. So, you have questions, no? So, hopefully, we will solve more problem, particularly for this, no? So, we will solve more problem para at least you can have, no, an idea on how to compute for your net investment. So again, thank you very much and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.